hurt you because he was so tight. I can eat like this. 15.
Ako bi učinio to što je on učinio meni, povrijedio bi te. On je tako me stisnuo čvrsto i još je protresao.
15 to 20 seconds doing this.
15-20 sekundi je to tako radio.
I didn't feel anything, but he was.
Međutim, on tresao.
And suddenly he released me. I continued talking like if nothing happened.
I odjednom me pustio i nastavio pričati kao da se ništa nije desilo.
And my head was like this. And when I was able to be quiet,
bio sam tih, miran.
I realized that my nose was completely healed and my cold was gone.
I shvatio sam u trenutku da je moj nos potpuno iscijeljen i da je moja prehlada nestala.
Another time,
Drugom prilikom,
I was in my office and one staple came inside the finger.
Da, špranje od drveta mu se zabila.
I was trying to have some pages and they were, and I tried to.
Sa pincet?
Yes.
Yes, when you join the pages.
Yes, and I was trying to take it out.
Htio se spojiti od kamerice s kojom se spajaju papiri, htio skinuti.
And this thing came into my finger.
I to je ušlo moj prst sa strane.
It was a Friday, and that day I had to go to the site center to give a talk.
I to je bio petak, trebao sam tog dana ići u site centar, imao sam govor tamo.
A few hours later, my finger was like swollen, completely swollen, and the nail was completely dark.
Nekoliko sati nakon toga, moj se prst potpuno je natekao, a nokat je bio potpuno taman.
Like an empanada. Empanada, you know? Very swollen, very swollen. The nail completely dark. Just in a couple of hours.
Dakle, samo nekoliko sati taj prst postao kao panada, vjerojatno neki kolač ili nešto.
I went to the clinic, a doctor looked at me.
Doktor je pogledao.
And the doctor said, very bad infection.
I rekao je vrlo akutna infekcija.
You have to take immediately antibiotics.
Trebaš odmah uzeti antibiotike.
And the nail most probably will fail.
A nokat će ti vjerojatno otpasti.
So I bought the antibiotic.
Kupio sam antibiotik.
But first I went to the site center to give the talk because I wanted to take the antibiotic with food in the night in my house.
Ali prije sam otišao u site centar održati govor, a htio sam uzeti antibiotik kasnije po noći u svojoj kući zajedno sa hranom.
So before starting we had to show a movie that was the Hour of Divinity, that lasts 1 hour.
Prije nego što počeli, susret je započeo time da se pokazao film koji je trajao sat vremena, film se zove Aura božanskosti.
And before we started, I took Vibhuti and I thought about his energy going to my finger.
A prije nego što počeli uzeti Vibhuti i osjetio sam kako energija ide u moj prst od tog Vibhutija.
1 hour later, when the film was finished, I went to the front to speak.
I sad kasnije, nakon što je film završio, otišao sam naprijed da održim govor.
And I was talking.
I pričao sam.
And suddenly I looked at my finger.
I pogledao sam
prst. I was like now.
I bio je potpuno kao što je sada.
Swollen completely disappeared, the nail completely pink.
Dakle, nokat je bio potpuno ružičast, nadam se potpuno nestao.
In 1 hour Vibhuti.
U 1 satu zahvaljujući Vibhutiju.
You know, Swami has 2 forms to express his presence.
Swami ima
mainly 2
ima mnogo načina kako bi izrazio svoju prisutnost, međutim 2 su.
One is through the number 23.
Jedan je kroz broj 23.
The other is the fragrance of jasmine.
Drugi je miris jasmina.
In my life, number 23 has appeared many times.
U mojem životu se pojavio broj 23 puno puta.
All the time. Even coming from Barcelona, from Madrid to Barcelona.
Čak i sada, kad sam dolazio iz Madrida u Barcelonu, na ovom putovanju.
I was with Ivan.
Bio sam s Ivanom našim Babčevićem.
And we both got the seats number 23.
I oboje smo dobili seats broj 23.
Like this all the time. I may see my watch and it's 23 seconds.
I recimo pogledam na sat i vidim 23 sekunde.
Or 23 minutes, 23 seconds, which is very difficult.
23 sekunde.
One time I was in the city of New York.
Jednom bio sam u New Yorku,
I represent film companies in South America.
predstavnik sam za filmske kompanije u Južnoj Americi.
If you are tired, I will tell you 2 more experiences and then you can go.
Ako ste umorni, ispričam vam iskustva i možete ići.
If not, we stay here tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Well, I had meetings with different companies every day.
Imao sam susrete sa različitim tvrtkama svaki dan.
There were not individual meetings, but group meetings.
To nisu bili pojedinačni sastanci, nego grupi.
With agents, for example, Warner Brothers will hold a meeting with their agents of all the world.
Dakle, recimo Warner Brothers kompanija je imala meeting sa svim agentima iz cijelog svijeta.
Let's say they decide to hold a meeting on Monday at 9 a.m.
Recimo, evo, da se ovdje odluče imati sastanak u ponedjeljak u 9 ujutro.
But I also represent another company that also want to have a meeting on Monday at 10 a.m.
Ali ja sam također predstavnik i za drugu kompaniju koja je odlučila imati sastanak u ponedjeljak u 10 ujutro.
I don't have the power of relocation.
Nemam moći bilokacije, ne mogu se pojaviti na 2 mjesta u isto vrijeme.
So it was very difficult to be everywhere,
I bilo je vrlo teško biti na svim tim sastancima,
but I had to be everywhere.
ali trebao sam biti prisutan na tim
I
sastancima.
couldn't not be present in those meetings.
Sastanci su bili takvog tipa da ja jednostavno se nisam mogu
So I
dozvoliti
was
da ne budem
running from
prisutan.
one place to the other.
I tako sam trčao s jednog mjesta na drugo.
The third day of that week of meetings, I was in a meeting that was started at 8 a.m. and lasted till 12 a.m. 12 p.m.
Treći dan bio sam na sastanku koji je počeo u 8 ujutro, a završio je u 12.
Very, very important meeting.
Vrlo važan sastanak.
But also I had another meeting. This meeting was in the south of the city.
Taj je sastanak bio na jugu grada.
At 10 a.m. I had another very important meeting in the north of the city.
A u 10 ujutro imao sam vrlo važan sastanak na sjeveru grada.
I had to be both places.
Trebao sam biti na oba dva mjesta.
I went to the first meeting
Išao sam na prvi
and
sastanak.
I said, I will stay here, then 20 minutes to 10 I will go to the other meeting, stay there for a while and then come back here. So it will be in both places.
Odlučio sam biti do 20 do 10, onda otići na drugi sastanak, onda tamo biti neko vrijeme, pa se vratiti i na taj način ću biti na oba dva mjesta.
So what I did is I was in the first meeting, raised my hand, made questions, so they knew that I was there.
I to što sam učinio, bio sam na prvom sastanku, tisnuo sam ruku u prvom redu, da svi vide da sam tu.
20 minutes to 10, I squeeze,
20 minuta do 10, ono, išulio sam se polako van.
and to make, it was February in New York, snow everywhere, very difficult to go from one place to the other.
Otežavajuća okolnosti bio snijeg u New Yorku, februar, teško je doći bilo na ruku na stranu grada.
So to make my life easier, I had a briefcase, and I left my briefcase in another room, because I didn't need it for the other meeting.
Pošto sam imao mali kovčeg, a nisam ga trebao na drugom sastanku, ostavio sam ga u jednoj sobici.
Because I had to come back anyway
I
to
tako onako sam
this
se trebao
building.
vratiti natrag ovdje.
I went to the other meeting.
I otišao sam na taj drugi sastanak.
I took the metro.
Uzeo sam metro
When I reached the other meeting, it had already started.
i kada sam došao na drugi sastanak, već je započeo
And they were showing a film.
i pokazivali su film.
And there is a standard that it says 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 at the image.
I tak,
This is an international standard.
postoji međunarodni standard od početka filma koji je započeo brojavanjem od 10 do 0 prije nego što film počne.
But this time the film started with number 23.
Međutim, ovaj put film je započeo sa brojavanjem od 23 prema dolje.
You know, from 23 to 0, the people are either sleeping or hypnotized.
Od brojanja 23 do 0 ljudi su ili zaspu ili su hipnotizirali.
I said, when I saw the number 23, I said, Swami.
Kad sam vidio broj 23, sam rekao s vami.
Well, then I said, I better ask some questions so they know that I'm here.
I onda sam opet normalno postavio par pitanja da znaju da sam tu.
So I pay attention and every moment I said, hey, I have a question, hey, I have a question.
Bio sam pozoran, sam toliko bio, rekao imam pitanje.
So after several questions, I was sure that they knew that I attended.
I nakon nekoliko pitanja, kad sam bio siguran da znaju da sam tu bio,
Again,
opet sam se onako
I took another metro to go back to the first place.
izmigolio i uzeo sam drugi metro da se vratim na prvi
And
sastanak.
something very special happened. I found a seat in the metro, which in February in New York is very difficult.
Desilo se nešto posebno. Prvo, našao sam mjesto slobodno u metrovu, što u februaru u New Yorku teško naći.
I sat and suddenly I had an incredible experience. You know when they say that you are going to die, in the last moment you see scenes of your life?
Kako sam se sjeo, imao sam nevjerojatno iskustvo. Znate kada kažu da kada umirete da vam cijeli život prođe pred očima? Eto, to sam imao.
I was with my eyes open, but I stopped seeing reality.
Imao sam otvorene oči, međutim više nisam vidio stvarnost, našu stvarnost koju inače vidimo.
I saw like a film of my life,
Video
with
sam-
different scenes.
Vidio sam scene filma svog života, različite scene.
And there were all images of things that I have done in my life that from the spiritual point of view were not right.
I to su bile sve scene koje sam učinio u svom životu, a koje sa duhovne tačke gledišta nisu bile dobre stvari koje sam učinio.
And suddenly it was like if someone did this.
I onda kao da je neko ovako napravio,
No one did this, but I came back.
niko to nije učinio, međutim vratio sam se
And
natrag
I
u
saw that the subway, the metro was stopping in the station. I had to get off.
I vidio sam da se metro zaustavio točno na onoj stanici